There is a lot of theory to cover in this course, but I find theories boring and abstract examples not very helpful in really learning a library or a framework. They're helpful as a frame of reference, but the valuable experience comes from building something real, something with practical problems, and by running into unexpected things and learning how to debug your way out of them. This is why this course will be less about theory and more about building. We will build a complete full stack web application from scratch here. Quick overview of the course. I'll start with an intro into the modern JavaScript features which I'm going to be using throughout this course and also the options to set up and configure a full stack application. We'll then see how we can use Node as our web server. After that, we'll cover the React basics and see how to work with data, first in memory, then with an API. We'll adopt the server render first strategy and make sure our applications are isomorphic, which means it will render initial HTML for all supported routes. This will help us be a little bit more efficient and it helps with SEO, search engine optimization, which is extremely important. Routes will work on both the client side and the server side. And we'll then take our API into MongoDB and see how to integrate it with the application. We will be reading and writing to MongoDB. When it comes to the front end, this course has pure focus on React itself, which means we're not going to cover other libraries that's designed for React, like Redux or even React Router. We're completely focusing on pure React here. My hope is that once you truly understand the dynamics of working with the React API, then understanding and using these other libraries will be a lot easier. I'll be explaining what I do as I type. And as an imperfect human, I'll probably run into many problems and we'll see how to debug and solve them together. I'll try to be not too slow and not too fast, but remember that you can always control the play speed. We will be doing a lot of things in this course. Some will be easy and others will be hard. Remember that you can pause, skip, and replay when needed. But you can also directly ask me questions. If you have any questions while you're taking this course, you can find me on the Slack JS Complete questions channel. You can get an invite for that on this website. And I also answer questions on Quora and Stack Overflow, especially if you ping me for an answer. Asking follow-up questions is perhaps the most effective way of learning, and I'm happy to answer.